14 tricks to drop as much as 5 pounds in every week if you wish to lose 5 precise pounds with the aid of next weekend. Listen up, losing weight fast is frequently unhealthy. That is on account that it might probably set you up for binge eating and fluctuations that intrude with long-lasting results, which basically defeats the whole point, right? 1. Track your weight reduction plan. Eating fewer calories than you burn will aid you shed extra pounds. It's that straightforward, Dr. Seltzer says. But you need to be aware of your patterns earlier than that you could make a plan. To examine how a lot you're truly consuming to maintain your current weight, Dr. Seltzer recommends utilizing MyFitnessPal. Simply enter whatever you devour, and be honest. The app will calculate your everyday calorie consumption without judgment or any math on your end. No food is inherently good or dangerous, Dr. Seltzer says. 2. Focal point on crops. In a small is gain knowledge of more than 1,000 men and women, published within the Journal of Basic Inner Treatment, researchers determined those following vegetarian and vegan diets, wealthy in entire grains, fruits, produce, nuts, and legumes, misplaced extra weight than dieters on other plans, even the low-carb Atkins weight loss plan, over the equal time span. The researchers hypothesized that participants who abstained from animal products dropped drastically more pounds given that plant-founded meals include quite a lot of filling fiber and gradual to digest intricate carbs. Although more research is needed to affirm these results, the Be Taught authors write vegetarian diets perceived to have huge benefits on weight discount compared to non-vegetarian diets. 3. Scale down on soda. While you drink liquid carbs, like the sugar in soda, your physique would not register them the same manner as, say, a section of bread, in step with their evaluative stories released in Present Opinion in Scientific Diet and Metabolic Care. That implies, despite the fact that you're taking in calories, your fullness cues aren't likely to sign that you are satisfied whenever you finish off a can. And that may result in drinking more overall. Even calorie-free eating regimen soda could keep you from reaching your objectives. Though the motive for expanded risk for weight problems isn't clear, contemporary study means that artificially sweetened soda might stimulate starvation hormones, main persons to consume more energy than they want. 4. Make super small food swaps. Woman's fingers breaking eggs right into a bowl. Chloe CRESPIPHOTOGRAPHYGETTY images. If you've been consuming quick meals for years, get real about your process. You're most of the time now not going to stick to an healthy, gluten-free, paleo overhaul for very long. You want to change as little as feasible to create calorie deficit, says Dr. Seltzer, who insists the nice approach to aid sustainable weight loss is to include small changes into present habits. So as an alternative of giving up your everyday BLT bagels in favor of an egg white wrap, or attempting ordering your sandwich on a lighter English muffin. Or say you devour a snack bar each afternoon, swap your 300-calorie bar for a 150-calorie substitute. 5. Go ahead, devour your greatest meal at night. Also, some study indicates that the human body is primed to consume most of its calories for the duration of daytime. However, the lifestyle is problematic for a lot of because loved ones' meals and dinners with buddies on the whole are scheduled for after sundown. People who try to stop eating after 7 p.m. can't do it daily for the relaxation of their lives, says Dr. Seltzer, who supports an substitute technique, eating a hearty meal at your commonplace dinner time.